Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. These super cute tiny pancakes are the cutest breakfast you will ever make. This recipe is called pancake cereal because you can have it like a regular breakfast cereal by adding milk. We have made these pancakes with our fluffy pancake recipe that everyone loves so much. So if you like pancakes or cereals, you should give this recipe a try. Whisk together 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar using a wire whisk, or you can use a mixer. Add 100 ml of milk, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Beat until you have a smooth batter. If the batter is too runny, it will spread and you will have thin and bigger sized pancakes. The batter should look like this. If your batter turns out a little too thick or too thin, you can always thin it out with just a tablespoon of milk, or make it thicker by folding a tablespoon of flour. Just don't forget that. Heat a lightly oiled nonstick frying pan over a medium-low heat, and drop half a teaspoon of the batter onto the hot pan. You can also use a squeeze bottle, a Ziploc bag, or a piping bag. But if you have none of those, a teaspoon works just fine. Cook until they start to bubble on top. Flip with a fork and continue cooking the underside for a further minute. Then take off the heat and transfer your mini pancakes to a serving plate. Repeat until all the batter is used up. And don't forget to adjust the heat. If they are cooking too quickly, reduce the heat slightly, and if they are slow, it's better to up the heat. Now transfer the mini pancakes to a serving bowl. To serve, I'll use strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. You can top with your favorite fruits and serve your mini pancakes with honey, syrup, chocolate sauce, or peanut butter, or enjoy them as they are, serving dry with butter. You can also add milk. Yes, the possibilities are endless, so please share what you did differently and your favorite way to enjoy them. If you enjoyed this video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to check out our other super easy and delicious pancake recipes. Thanks for watching!